Hello everyone, welcome to Corporate Bridge Academy. You are learning the course on corporate banking products and relationship management. So this course is basically divided into two parts, that is corporate banking and its products, and then we move forward with the concept of relationship management. So let's see what is the course structure. So as I said, first of all, we have the corporate banking products, that is debt product, liability products, trade products, treasury, and then finally project finance and debt syndication. So let me just tell you that in debt products, we also have different categories of debt. So we are going to actually learn this when we start with the concept of debt products, and so follows for liability products. That is, for liability products also we have 3 or 4 different kinds of liability products. So we are going to learn them in detail. In trade products, we are going to learn the concept of factoring, bank guarantee, letter of credit, etc. Same concept applies with treasury products, and then we are going to move forward with what is the meaning of project finance, how it is used, and when is syndication carried out. So this is about the corporate banking products. So once we are done with this, then we move on to the concepts of relationship management. So basically, first of all, we are going to start with a case or an animated video to understand exactly what is relationship management. Then we are going to move forward and understand what is the definition, the purpose, and how does information technology plays a very vital role in relationship management. Then we are going to take an example to understand how relationship management work and how you can use it to enhance your sales and your business. Then we are going to move forward and understand what can be different effective steps for any organization if it wants to implement relationship management. So what steps it should follow are listed in this guide. Then we are going to move forward and understand how relationship management is been carried out in banking sector. And then finally we are going to start with the merits and demerits of relationship management. So let's first start with corporate banking products. Okay, so let us understand what is corporate banking. Now, basically, let me just tell you how we can go forward about it. Here we have a bank. So let's say this is a bank that we have. Now, you must have gone to a bank hundreds of times, or your parents must be carrying out various banking operations. So on individual level, we know what are the services which are given by bank, because we go to bank like every week. We have some transactions which are involved with bank. So on individual level, we are quite clear with what are the concepts that are applied to a bank and how we can open an account, a saving account, a current account. So we are little bit aware of this concept, that how individuals can open their accounts in bank and how they can carry out with different transactions. But now here we are going to see how corporates, they make use of bank. Okay, so we are going to see how corporate banking, which is also known as business banking, it applies to various corporates, or we also have government which will make use of bank, and we have different kinds of organization or significant institutes which avail the services of the bank. So significant institutes, corporates and governments, so they will avail the services of bank. Now why will they go to bank? So there are various reasons why they will avail the services of bank, mainly for deposits or lending or for various e-banking operations. So we are going to see these concepts, how they are applied to bank with respect to various corporates, and we are going to see what are the different products which are made available by banks for these corporates. So we are going to see the corporate banking products which are made available by these banks, so applied over here. So this is what we are going to see. We saw how individuals, they make use of bank, but now we are going to see how corporates make use of bank and what are the different corporate banking products which are applicable and how various corporates can make use of these products. So this is what we are going to see. So now we see this animated PPT. Now here we will see how individuals, they basically go to banks for their different needs, but we also have various corporates and organizations and businesses. They will go to banks for their needs. So this is just what we saw now, just explained in an animated format. So let's move forward now and understand what is the definition of corporate banking. So let's see what it is. It is financial services provided by banks to corporates for meeting their banking and financial needs. So this is exactly what we saw. Now, the banking operation are carried out by both retail and investment banks. So we are basically going to concentrate on retail banking operation. Now, corporate banking is also known as business banking, and as we saw, it deals with corporate customers. So not just individuals like us. We are going to see a different class of banking, that is corporate banking. Now, if you want to just see when was the term originated, it was basically originated in United States, and the reason for its origination was to distinguish it from investment banking. So basically started in the year 1933 to distinguish the two terms, that is investment banking and corporate banking. So now this term is quite regularly used, and there are various corporate banking operations which are carried out in day-to-day operations of the business. So let's see what are the different corporate banking operations.